Yeah, spray some Simonx wax over it.
You gonna videotape this mating here?
Yeah. Taking off. Wait a second. Give me some time. Wait a second. Is he ready?
No, not yet. He's putting the top on. So
Okay.
We're ready for mating when you're done.
Okay.
I'm
gonna go catch it.
Sure.
You should have seen last weekend we were going out there and he was catching it for me.
Going out.
Oh, it's awful windy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better not.
Damn it.
Smooth it out. Smooth it out.
You guys are getting to be best in the country, man.
Yeah.
Simon
Yeah, right.
TK, whatever the hell his name is. He's so good, he didn't look his real name. Who, him?
Maverick.
Maverick and Iceman. Yeah, right. Now, if you get the CG just right on these and you get them back further on these planes, when you do a rolling circle, it'll stay up by itself. You could just hold your aileron to it. And we'll just sit there and go round in circles.
You mean... You mean... Like this way, and it just goes around?
You know, when you do a rolling circle and you take your aileron, just make the airplane spin in a roll.
Yeah. Really?
Then you get the boundaries like that.
Alright, next time you got some.
See how the nose doesn't drop down? It's up in the back way far like I got mine.
Oh, that's cool. That is nice black.
And when his plane was nice and light when he first had it,
Yeah, nice and light.
it was climbing that flat spin.
Really?
But now we've glued them together
Yeah,
so much it's time to build new ones.
Rick, quit showing up.
Okay, he's ready, Rick. I'm going to taxi out, Rick.
Wait.
Here, I'll go get it.